Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video review of an electric bike. This time, as you can see, we have the Magicycle. I have high hopes for this one. I have tested all kinds of e-bikes and I'm having a lot of fun doing them. This one has got a lot to live up to, so let's unbox it and see exactly what the Magicycle Step-Thru Cruiser has to offer. As always, we're going to take the bike out for a ride, spend several days with it, and then we're going to come back and give it a grade. We're grading on fit, form, and function. Fit, how well does everything put together? Is it a quality bike? Form, what's the design like? Is it a good-looking bike? Is it not? Is it kind of ugly? And then function, what is it like to ride the bike? Is there speed? Is there power? And most of all, is there a smile on my face when I'm riding it? Tell you what, that is a first. For the first time ever, I didn't need any of my own tools. Yeah, every tool I needed was included. Another first. Check them out. Yeah, what a nice little touch. White gloves to put this nice white bike together. Yeah, I'm impressed. So far, woo! Fit, form, function, fit. Pretty nice. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. This seat will go this way too. If you want to adjust it, the handlebars will go back and forth. You have your digital display right here. And like every e-bike I've ever tested, the Shimano 7-speed, I almost call it a 7-speed transmission, is right there. But I like it. I like it so far. So we're going to spend a couple of days with the bike cruising around here in northeast Oklahoma. And we'll come back and take you along for a ride and let you know what I think about this very cool Step-Thru Cruiser from Magicycle. Let's talk about some of the specifics of the bike. Top speed, 28 miles per hour, but you do have to go through a little routine to unlock that. It's regulated at 20 miles per hour, but if you go to the website and look at some of the questions and answers, they're going to show you how to do that. You get 28 miles per hour, pedal assisted, which is cruising really, really fast on an e-bike. That is certainly a positive. As far as the height and weight of the rider, they say that you can be 5'5" to 6'5" and up to 350 pounds. And I believe it. I am about 195, and me on this bike is like nothing at all. It really is like nothing at all. Price-wise, right now, I saw on the website, they're about $21.99. They are offering specials, and you can get this for like $18.99, so about $1,900. Free shipping, 2-year warranty, and they have a 15-day return policy. So if you are not sure about the bike, I don't know why you wouldn't be, but they do ask that you keep the box and all the styrofoam and everything that the bike comes packaged in. Keep that for at least the 2 weeks. And if by some crazy chance you want to send it back, you can do so. I'm keeping this thing. I love this bike. This is the road I use to test my suspension. And let me tell you, this has a nice setup right here. The Magicycle does have shocks on the front wheel, which makes the ride very, very smooth, and there is just enough padding on the seat to keep your rear end happy as well. They do have a lot of accessories that you can get along with the bike. They offer a front basket, which is pretty cool looking. That is about $109. You want to listen to some tunes as you are cruising along the roads right there. They have a Bluetooth speaker that attaches. That's only $35. If you want to lock up your bike, they also offer a foldable bike lock. It is $65. I would highly recommend that, because if you're going to spend $1,800 on a bike, you certainly want to keep it around for a while. They also offer mirrors, rear view mirrors. You want to put some mirrors on your handlebars like you did back in the day with those streamers. Yeah, they offer those. The rear view mirrors are $39 for 2 of them, which is really cool. You can't tell what we're doing right now, but this is my hill climb test. right here. I go full out, top speed, all power. I'm not using my feet for the pedals at all. And this little bike right here, we're cruising at about 19 miles an hour, okay? Top speed is 20 miles an hour. I'm losing my camera. This motor has power to get you up the hill. It's much faster than any of the other bikes that I have tested so far. So this little 750 watt motor, yeah, should get you where you want to go. Time now to give her a grade on fit, form, and function. She did well in all three categories. Let me just start off by saying that right there. Fit, how well she went together, how easy it was to assemble. Well, we're giving her an A+. Yeah, every tool I needed was included. They even gave me the white gloves to make sure I didn't get any fingerprints on this beautiful white paint. And I didn't need any parts. All of the nuts and bolts and screws and everything were included. So A+ for fit. As far as form goes, well, take a look at the style. Do you like it? I love it. I really, really do. The handlebars are nice. The fenders are nice. I like this. It gives you a little bit of a step through. So if you need some help, if you don't want to go around this way, you can get in through there. The battery, some bikes like to hide the battery itself. They chose to let this one go on display. They did incorporate some stripes and of course Magicycle right there. I like it, I really do. They have branding down here as well. And of course on your little readout right here, you have a nice little parcel shelf on the back. You have these little straps that you can use to tie something down if you want to. And I think it all goes together just really, really well. So for form, we're giving this an A. It looks great. I really, really, really like this. Let's talk about function. How much fun it was to ride. Well, this is my go-to bike. Let me just put that out there, okay? I have 5 bikes in the garage right now, 5 different e-bikes. This is my go-to. It fits me well. It is fun to ride. The ride is comfortable thanks to the shocks right here, which really, really help a lot. There isn't a shock on the back, which is something that maybe they'll think of in the future. That would make the ride even that much better. But it was comfortable and it is fun. This bike, there you go, gets an A+ when it comes to function. So the final grade for the bike right here, when you consider all of the factors and how much I like it, A+, definite A+. This bike is so interesting. It is beautiful. It is well made. It is put together very, very well that I just can't keep my hands off of it. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I've got other bikes that we're going to be reviewing as well. And of course, we can't get away from all of those old cars. Yeah, please, please, please leave me a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I read all the comments and I respond to those that are witty and funny. All right, let's go for a spin. All right, with that, we're going to say, have a great day, everybody. I'm going to enjoy some more time on the Magicycle. Woo!